Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Samuel Ivanda and I'm here to give you insights how you can succeed as an accountant. Either you're pursuing the CPA course or you're doing ACCA, any course that you're doing, I'm here to help you become that accountant that you want to be. Now, I have a lot of experience over 10 years as an accountant, and there are things that I've been able to learn that I want to share with you. And today I want to share with you 10 skills that you need as an accountant to succeed in the market. Now, the first skill I want to basically share with you is about, of course, the accounting knowledge. As an accountant, you need to understand accounting in depth. And that is why we have these professional courses like the CPA course, SCCA, and other qualifications that help you get this knowledge, get the understanding. Even your degree, either it's an accounting degree or it's a BCom, whatever degree you did, that degree gives you the skill to understand accounting, the double entry, and so on, preparation of financial statements, and so on. So that is very, very key. Now, these skills that I'm providing to you are skills that you need, especially if you're looking for a job. You need to better these skills. And but even if you have a job today, these are also skills that you need to boost yourself so that you can be able to attract opportunities like new job opportunities. Okay, so accounting knowledge is one. Now, the other is knowledge around taxes. Now, you need to understand how taxes work. We cannot separate ourselves as accountants from taxes. You need to understand taxes, the different tax heads. For Uganda, you need to understand pay as you earn, VAT, and so on. How do these come in? Withholding tax, how are these taxes computed? And how are they filed? You need to understand how to file taxes because you one of your roles as an accountant who is starting out will be to file these taxes. Okay, most organizations don't employ specific people that do the taxes. You'll find that you as an accountant, you're actually doing the taxes. So it's very important that you understand the taxes, the knowledge on taxes, but also how to prepare the tax returns. The other key skill that you need to understand is you need to understand how to use an accounting software. Now, there are various accounting softwares that we have in the world, and we also have those common ones like QuickBooks, Tally, SAP, and so on, Microsoft Dynamics. You need to have an understanding of accounting software, at least maybe two or three, but not just only one. So you need to understand how these accounting softwares work. And I want to tell you that myself, from my experience, once you know how to use one accounting software, it is easy to even easily use other accounting softwares because the principle is the same. It's just understanding that you have the technical competence to be able to have your information into an accounting software. So that's another key skill. And those I've given you now about three of them. Now, the other key skill that you also need, the fourth one, what we call the Microsoft Excel and data analytical skills. You need to be able to bring all that data into a form that can be understood. So it's very important that you develop this skill, the data analytics skill, the Microsoft Excel. You cannot dwell with this skill, okay? You cannot dwell with skill. And what the good news is that we have very good resources to help you boost this kind of skill. Either you're boosting it at work or you're taking on short courses. Achievers has some courses where I do train in the areas of Excel and so on. So you can be able to leverage on those opportunities to be able to, of course, attend those trainings. The other key skill that you need, okay, which will be now our fifth that you need is, of course, presentation. As an accountant, you need to be good at presentation, and presentation may be your PowerPoint. It could also be how you prepare reports. You need to be able to present your information in a way that can be understood by, let's say, a non-accountant that you're presenting to, like the CEO or the board. Presentation skills are very, very key to you as an accountant. Okay, so that's the fifth. You also need to understand that time management is also a key skill to you as an accountant. You need to understand that as an accountant, this is I need to do my work very fast. I need to put it to ensure that I'm reporting on time because accounting has deadlines. So you want to make sure that you are very good when it comes to time management. Okay. So those are about six. We have different other skills that you need as an accountant. Of course, other skills around people. Accountants, we work with people. So having the interpersonal skills will make you stand out as an accountant. So that is also one of the other skill that you need. You also need understanding of the business. Now, sometimes accountants we put our focus especially on the numbers and we forget about the understanding of the business that we are operating in. I spent about 5 years in the NGO and I'm now working in an accounting firm. But I want to tell you that you need to understand how these different environments work. The accounting we do in NGOs is not the accounting we do it for an accounting firm or we do in the private sector. So you need to understand the business as an accountant. And one of the other skills that is very key when it comes to understanding the business is the skill of grants management, especially if you want to develop your career in the area of NGOs. So grants management is a very, very key skill. And the good news is we have these trainings. I'll be holding the grants management training. I usually do this every year. So you can be able to join in and learn more about how donors require you to manage grants, how NGOs basically operate. We usually call the training NGO financial management and grants management training. In the same way, like I spoke about skills like Excel, Microsoft Excel, I spoke about skills like knowing an accounting software. We all have this kind of skills, practical skills trainings. And the good thing is that even after the training, we issue a certificate. Now, it's just there's you knowing how to do something, and there's also you having evidence that you're going through training of such a skill, and that is what we offer you at Achievers. And I want to tell you that we train these skills not from a theoretical perspective. We train you from the practical perspective because ourselves we have these skills. I've told you that I've spent over 10 years into the accounting profession. So we develop these skills and we want to help people that are like graduates who are just leaving school, university that want to improve these skills, but also maybe people that could be, for example, maybe already you're in your career, but you want to improve on your skills. There are also people who have never practiced accounting, but they want to get a breakthrough in terms of finding jobs into the accounting fields. So if you have a degree or CPA, ACCA, and you want to get into a field like maybe the NGO, or you want to get to the field of, let's say, normal accounting, you need to understand those things. Accounting, they have to an accounting knowledge. For the accounting knowledge, you can be able to leverage on resources. For example, I have several videos on this YouTube channel where I went through different aspects of accounting, bank reconciliation, preparation of financial statements. You're able to build your competence. Or if you're pursuing the CPA course or CCA, that will also give you that insight. Okay, so it's very good that you understand that. But when it comes to practical skills, Excel, Microsoft Excel, join our training. We shall be able to teach you and help you, especially on this area. Also, be able to leverage on also some of our other trainings like NGO, financial management, and wealth management training. Will be able to help you accordingly. And I want to tell you that you will be a different accountant this year. When you apply for jobs, your CV will look differently because at the end of the day, whatever the recruiter is looking for that candidate who is endowed with all these skills. Save for those days where accountants were just known for understanding numbers and so on. The world has moved very fast. There are other skills that you need to understand currently. Data analytics aspects, now we're seeing artificial intelligence coming in. Many things are coming up. So you need to understand that these are key skills you need as an individual. And I want to tell you, you'll stand out. Myself, what has helped me come to where I am in terms of my career, being able to grow from accountant, finance manager, to become a finance lead. all this has come because of the skills I've been able to grow. So you too can grow these skills, and I want to tell you, you'll be totally a different accountant, an accountant who stands out. So I hope this video is helpful. In case there is any key skill that you want to develop, please include it in the comment section. If this is your first time to watch my channel, please subscribe. And please, if there are any other skills that you feel accountants need that you want to share with us, please also include it in the comment section, and let's learn more about it. In case you want to join some of our trainings, I'll drop a number in the description, but also for you to be able to see how you can be able to join. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please visit my channel. You'll be able to find several videos that I've done, but also be able to find my contacts there. And let's be able to connect, and let's help each other become best accountants in the world. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.